In a quiet little forest, there lived a small rabbit named Ravi. Every morning, Ravi liked to hop through the forest. He would visit the flowers, he would listen to the birds, and sometimes he would sit beneath the big old tree and watch the clouds. One morning, Ravi decided to visit his friend, Mimi the squirrel. So he picked up his little blue backpack and hopped along the forest path. He passed the tall oak tree. He passed the little pond. He passed the yellow flowers. But then, Ravi stopped. Ravi looked around. He saw two little paths. Which path should I take? Ravi wondered. Ravi sat beneath a small tree and took a deep breath. Then he heard something. Tweet, tweet. A little bluebird flew down and said, "Follow the sound of the little stream." Ravi listened carefully. Trickle, trickle. There was the sound of the little stream. Ravi smiled and followed the sound. He hopped slowly through the forest. He passed the yellow flowers. He followed the little stream around the bend. And then, there it was. Mimi's cozy little home beneath the big old tree. Ravi smiled. "I'm home." Just then, Mimi the squirrel came running toward him. "Ravi, you found me!" Ravi sat beside his friend beneath the big old tree. The birds sang above them. The little stream flowed nearby. And the forest felt peaceful again. Sometimes, when we don't know the way, we just need to stop. Listen and take one little step at a time.